Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I hope everyone they are enjoying their day. I hope everyone they are having a beautiful day because it is a beautiful day. Hey siyababona ke. I hope everyone's having their beautiful day, like the beautiful wives of Musa Mseleko. Musa Mseleko, Nkosi yami. We can see them. I think they had gone to an event. They all looked out of this world. Their makeup was on point. We can see Lana Umangwabe. She had just finished doing her makeup here before she changed into the beautiful dress. And then the next one we saw also Umacele dressed in a beautiful burnt orange dress. They were busy they taking pictures. It was a whole event that was happening, and we saw Uma Khumalo dancing and enjoying her life. We saw Umayeni. So now everyone is asking bana ukephi uKoco Melon, Nkosi yami, umakakhe kaKoco Melon ukubana njani yena angekho, and then abantu bayajokeni ukubana ayi mhlawumbe because she's got a younger, bayajoke abantu ukubana mhlawumbe that's why she wasn't at the event. But kaloku ke na the older siblings they can babysit so that naye ke azokhona ukubana ahambe naye aye kulama event where everyone was. So now we like everyone is raising their eyebrows ukubana why was she not at the event. But we saw her also when they were taking pictures of doing their makeup. She was there also having her makeup done. So we don't know ukbana maybe she had came earlier on, we don't know, but she wasn't there in all these pictures and the videos that everyone of the other 4 wives that they were posting. Umangwabe, Umayeni, Umakhumalo noMacele, they all looked beautiful. They all looked out of this world. They were happy, they were dancing. They looked out of this world. So now our question remains ukubana uMakhwela naye, she is the wife of Umusa Mseleko. Why was she not there? Jani, she wasn't there. That is what everyone is raising eyebrows about. Don't forget to like,